What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has finally posted and he has congratulated the newly elected EFF leadership after he was excluded from the EFF CCT, and also he didn't attend the EFF NPA. There were rumors that he was banned, so he didn't attend that. But he has actually congratulated the EFF leadership and said, we wish them strength and wisdom, and they should remember to always conduct ourselves honestly and honorably in dealing with the EFF and the broader public. So most people were thinking that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is most likely going to go and join the MK party, but Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has not done that at all. Definitely he's not going to join MK party, but he has actually come here and congratulated the EFF. So this is the news. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is no longer part of the EFF CCT, and what is kind of said in this situation is that being indecisive at times and not making a decision can put you in serious trouble, as has happened with Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. He decided to just more like stay neutral and not tell Julius Malema about Floyd Shivambu leaving. He just kept quiet, and unfortunately that indecisiveness has found himself out of the window.